another one to see if I can use just my bare hand. Get excited, little.
Is that a bluegill?
Yep, bluegill.
What are you doing?
Just give him another worm for his struggles. Look at a big one. Open wide.
Worm for the road?
Yep. Alright. Like the worm? Tell the camera you like the worm.